This is just going to be a look at, sort of an unboxing type thing. It's going to be, I just got this from B&H. It was one of their daily specials, $5, $6, I'm not sure. I actually have no idea how I'm going to use this, but what's nice is that it's kind of endless. I just thought of something right now. I'm probably going to use it on the GoPro I keep in the home, because I'd like to add a light to that. So maybe I'll show you that. Let me see if I can get that going. It's pretty small, aluminum. Just so many options to use this thing. Can you unscrew this? No, doesn't come out. Just curious. Let me see. Oh, it does come out. Oh, look at that. So you actually can take this out if you want. I don't know if I need this thing here. Cool. Yeah, you could just, yeah, you can now, wow, multiple threads. That's great. Yeah, I think I'm going to use it without this, 'cause I have no use. I have adapters that work, and I like to put them on, take it off. It'd be pretty cool. Wow, this is pretty nice. 6 sides. Pretty small. If you do it from the chest, as you can see it. I think all of them are just about 3/4. Yeah, total 3/4 all around. It's nice. You know, let me show you how I think I'm going to be using it. This is my GoPro 9, which sort of my grab camera, you know, right away when I need a camera. I put it on the wrong way, I just realized that. So let me show you how I will be using this. I think it's going to be more below. Let me put the flat. This one has, I think, for this thing here, so I'm going to stay away from that. I'm going to put it like this. Let me get my adapters. I'm actually going to put this back because I might actually use it. Let me put this back as well. No, that wasn't a good thing. I wasn't sure how I was going to use this. That's why I took it out. But I think I could probably use this. I want to mount the light. Quick light. Easy to get to light. Here. Okay. So I'm going to use this adapter, which you could just find them looking up accessories for cameras. And what is it, 3.5, what's the adapter size? I always forget. The regular camera screwing connections size around this thing. This one, and I'll put it here. an adapter. So this will go here. I don't think this is tall enough. It's got to get past. Again, it's got to get past. Oh, it actually might be. So then I ended up finding this. And again, I just get a bunch of these just because I need them in different weird situations. I buy them on eBay or Amazon. I just keep them in the drawer. That's what I was planning to do with this, but I actually could use it this way because sometimes I just need that extra light. And for the GoPro. And yeah, it'll work perfectly. Look at that. Awesome. So now, it's daytime, so it's hard to get darkness here. But now with this setup, I can just light up the area. Cool. I like it. So that's how I'm gonna end up using this thing. It's gonna stay like that. Hold like this. It's just for a tripod. Sometimes I want to just get a quick video. I like it. I'm definitely keeping it here. It's gonna be it. This is my new, this is the one I keep in my drawer just to grab, to videotape someone coming to my home. A specific moment that I want in 5K or 4K, I think, 5K maybe. And these adapters just work really well. I keep a bunch of them all over the place, and they just always, I'm always finding a need for them, which I just did today with you guys, because I actually was just going to show you that, show you the actual item, and just throw it in my drawer. But it's actually, it's gonna be cool to keep with my setup that I keep in my drawer whenever I need a camera, with a GoPro camera within the home. All right, I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye now.